Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Pizzelle maker. A pizzelle is an Italian cookie, and you need a special form to make it, and we've done that by using this unit. Let me show you what it looks like inside. You'll notice there are two separate forms, and that's where the design comes from. It's 4 inches wide, and you get 2 cookies at a time. What you would do is, after you make the batter, which you should check your instruction book for, you use this little spoon, and you put the batter right in the center of the cookie. Then you close this down, and then the lid locks in place, and that keeps the plates really tight. So when the cookie dough is baking, you'll get a beautiful finished cookie right like here. The other thing that's really nice is you can see it has a brushed stainless steel housing with black accents. It also has a browning control here. All the way on one side is 1, on the other side is 5. You can do 1 is light, 5 is darker. You can experiment and find the shade that you prefer. Over here is your ready to bake and ready to eat light. It turns green when you're ready to put your dough in. What'll happen, the light will go off, and after you put the dough in, it'll cook and go back on, letting you know that it's time to remove your cookie and it's ready to eat. We also include a dowel with your pizzelle maker, and this will help you make other things other than just the flat cookie. What you can do is, when you remove the cookie from the maker after it's done baking, when it's still soft and pliable, you roll it around the dowel and you let it cool a little bit, then you remove the dowel, and what happens is you have a form for like a cannoli, and you can stuff it with a cheese mixture for dessert. The other thing you can do is roll these cookies into a cone shape, and you can actually use it as an ice cream cone. So go ahead and have a little fun with your pizzelle maker.